You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. Someday there may be you knocking upon your door. You may open it and find some poor beggar standing there. And their clothes may be so shabby and their shoes all worn out too. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. You don't know the heart that beats beneath those shabby, worn out clothes. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. He may come to you in many ways. He may come through the blind. He may come through the crippled. He may come anytime. He may come through a little child as it sweetly smiles. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. You don't know the heart that beats beneath those shabby, worn out clothes. You don't know, it might be Jesus visiting you. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. He leads me beside the water still. He stores my cup with joy. My heart does overfill. The joys that this world could not give. He's with me in trouble. He's with me in need. My Lord will never leave me. He will always stay, and He'll go with me even to the end. The Lord is my shepherd. He is my friend.